A bit late today. Market has already opened. London is already open, but I was watching the market and I saw there was no good setup. So still waiting for our golden trade to come back. Ooh, what's this bug? Trading View has some. Okay. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we're waiting for market to take out this high here. Then we might get a really good trade. But before that, I am not thinking about entering into any trades. Yeah, I would be confident when MES actually takes out this high, then we'll have a really good chance. But even after the London Open, I don't see a really good momentum in the market, so might have to wait. I'm not sure if we can trust the sweep on the MES. Doesn't look that convincing to me, but it could work for sure. It's not that convincing. Let me see if there is a change in state of delivery. Yeah, it looks like there is one. The problem is the prices travel quite a bit after, so and these candles are really bullish. So I don't want to trust or rely on this single swing high here, out of which price is not actually retraced deeply. It has come almost to the halfway mark of this range and then continued up. So it's a really good uptrend. So I don't want to take a trade on this particular swing high, assuming a sweep here. So we'll still wait for this 1 hour. Actually, this is a sweep on, this is a swing high on the 4 hours actually. So waiting for price to tap there. Yeah, it's much closer on MNQ. To be honest, this could be a good buy also, but I am not taking it because that is not our setup. So we'll wait. Yeah, price is pretty slow. So, I mean, it has been almost a week since zero trades and zero profit. It requires immense patience to be not taking a trade when you know that you have only few days left for your challenge to be done. So, it's not that easy. It's not easy at all. I was about to post a video today, a quick short video. Is there a problem with the stream? I'm not sure if the connection is good. Okay, I think there is a bit of lag. Uh, Okay, think the footage, the video might lag a bit. The connection is not that good, is what YouTube is saying. Yeah, price is just dancing around. Let me just check the video, how the footage is looking. Okay, think the footage, the video might lag a bit. It's pretty good. Oh, it's back up. Let's go. Yeah, price is just moving up and down, not giving a clear direction. Uh-uh. What to do? Just wait. That is all we have to do here, because there's no opportunity. When there's no opportunity, we just wait. I will show the stats today. Let's take a look at the stats of how my account is looking at the moment, and if I'll be able to get it to a good state. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is how it looks at the moment. As you can see, 768 total net loss. Yeah, you see the trading growth curve here. So this is the break-even level of 25K. This 24K is the maximum drawdown allowed. And we lost some money here, came back up a bit, then fell off to this floor level right here, and we are at 24,231. I need $769 profit to come back up to break even. And after that, we have to think about uh, se getting it back to 27K, which is the required profit for, yeah, required profit for passing this account. Actually, it would be 26.5, not 27, but 26.5. That is like 1.5K plus another 700, which is $2,200 in total profit from this stage. Right now, we lost a $50 on the first day, then 3 days losses on the trot, then we gained back some money, then we made some stupid trades here and then lost some money. Yeah, now we've been extremely careful and waiting for patiently for our best setup. This is what happens to me. It's always the first few days of the week that I ruin my challenge account. Initially, when I get the account, when I have enough balance, I take stupid risks and I'm very impatient. I want to grow it very fast. And then reality hits, then I come close to my drawdown, and then I suddenly I'm really good. I'm patient. I take only proper setups. But what happens is usually I would have been so late for it. Like the time would have passed by then. Now, even if I wait, I'm not sure if I'll get really good setups for me to come back. That is the problem. I just have one good trade at the back of my hand. Like if I don't take a proper setup, I will lose this account. If it hits SL, that's mostly it. So the start date is Feb 27th. So it this account might go until 27th of this particular month. It's 30 days. So it might be 30th also, but because last month was Feb. So yeah, we have to be careful, but yeah, it's gonna be tough. I just need three really good trades to get to this amount, but it's not easy to find those three trades. That's a problem. On the last week, during the last week, I might have to take trades in all the sessions if I have to if I have to even barely pass or try to pass. Yeah, but it's tough. It's tough. The probability is very low for me to pass this account, but we will fight it. We won't lose hope, and I have to stick to my rules for sure. If not to pass this account, but for being a really good trader, I have to stick to my rules. Yeah, which is the best trade, $189 is a best trade. I think I took that trade on this day and then I lost some money, or maybe this day. Worst trade is $178 loss. Oh, that's the least. Okay, good to know. Average win, average loss is higher, of course. Win rate is half, but then risk reward was really bad. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, have to be really patient with it now. I'm just thinking about those initial trades that I took. If I had not taken them, it was going really well during the first week. I know these three trades were actually avoidable, but even then, the second week is where I ruined it. If you look at it until Tuesday, the 10th, I took trade on almost all the days. And that is your sign that you're not following your process because based on my setup and process, it's very hard for me to get a setup every day. So if I'm taking a trade every day, that's already a bad sign. That's a very bad sign for my setup and my process. So I should have identified it. To be honest, I think I identified it, but I couldn't stop myself from taking a trade when I was staring at the markets. That's the problem. Following rules was very difficult for me. Let me see if I had a trade in Feb because I took this account on 27th, right? No, no trades in Feb. Yeah, it was all in March. Yeah. Okay, we have time till 18th March is what they're saying. So, no, sorry. That is the current date, my bad. So the time would, I think, be until 27th or 30th or 31st. One of these days. I have to make sure what that date is. Yeah. Okay, go back to our trading scene. What's happening? There is a volume imbalance here. I think it might be a good point to buy from here. That might give us a good buying opportunity. First, let's connect the account. That's my video title instead of the username. My bad. Oh wow, wow. It just tapped there. It's about to place an order there, but it's too late now. Too late. Let's see. It's a ultra high SL trade. Not sure what's gonna happen. We'll see. Might be just $20, but I'm just experimenting with $20. That's the least SL that I can go. Yeah, yeah, that's almost. Looks like it'll hit our SL. Yeah, think it's $30 loss, somewhere close to that. Yeah, $35. That's fine. I wanted to do a stupid trade to see what happens. I don't think we'll be getting a good setup today because price is not going to hit any of our areas. Mm. Interesting. If this high is going to work, it's going to be nice. But I'm not sure if it'll work 'cause yeah, we have 1 more hour to go, but I don't think we'll be getting any trades now because price either has to touch one of these levels down here for us. I will want it to touch here or here, and it's moving quite slow at the moment. So what I will do is I will end the stream and then yeah, we'll update if I get some opportunity because right now it's just slowly drifting down and then moving up and then being a little choppy overall. So there's no point in waiting. So I will keep an eye on it until 3 and then update if I get an opportunity. Yeah.